Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I just wanted to come on and show you guys my night routine, and I just wanted to show you guys how I protect my protective style, my low maintenance protective style before going to sleep and while I sleep. So let's get right into this video. First, I just took a shower, and from my last video I had baby hairs with this style. I don't anymore. My baby hairs is back to looking real country and real, you know, plantationist. I got in the shower and I just went ahead and took my facial brush and I washed the gel out of my hair. I don't really like to sleep with the Eco Styler in my hair anymore because I get really itchy with the Eco Styler when I sleep with it, especially if I plan to do baby hairs again the next day. Putting new gel on that old Eco Styler from my previous baby hair set. So I get in the shower and then I, you know, gently wash my baby hairs to cleanse the gel off of my hair. After that, to actually prep my hair to go to sleep in, I take some water. I mist my hair with some water, not a lot, because I don't want it to shrink. I take my replenishing cream and I just take a little bit. I take enough for my hair, my puff, and I just re-moisturize it just to prep it for the morning, because tomorrow I'm getting up and I'm on the go and I want it to last. I want it to be moisturized for when I'm out, and I'm going to a city that's really hot tomorrow, so I'm just going to moisturize it tonight. Let that moisturizer sit in my hair overnight. After that, I will take my Jamaican black castor oil and virgin olive oil mixture and just go around my hair. Actually, I'll just spray it in my hand. And I will seal in that moisture that I just put in my hair. And I'm actually able to fluff my hair out a bit more now that I've moisturized it. And I'm just sealing in that moisture. And I'm going to put in some more because I want to go around my edges. I'm going to put it in the back. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm just going to moisturize where my baby hairs are. Because I did just wash my baby hairs to get the gel out and it's just a little dry, so I'm just going to add back in some moisture. After that, I will take my hair scarf. I tend to sleep with a hair scarf every single night, and sometimes I will supplement it with sleeping on a satin pillowcase, but you can either sleep on a satin pillowcase or you could sleep with your hair scarf or a satin bonnet. I wouldn't suggest sleeping with your hair just on straight up cotton pillows because that could dry your hair out, and all that moisture that we just put into our hair will go into the pillow and then it'll cause breakouts and it'll cause your hair to be dry, and then breakage will occur at some point. So I'll take my hair scarf and I protect my hair for the next day. Make sure every piece of my hair is covered. And that is it for this low maintenance protective style night routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also leave down in the comment section below what is your night routine if you have one. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.